Best eaten fresh, its tender young leaves and stems have a delicious cucumber-like flavor, and the flowers make tasty and attractive garnishes. Not only is borage a beautiful addition to your garden, it has many benefits too. Borage is an excellent companion plant. This plant will attract bees as well as other beneficial bugs, and provides a valuable source of nectar for them. As gardeners, we know how much important pollinators are to our garden. This Mediterranean native herb, also sometimes called a starflower, and bee bread. It is used in medicinal purposes as well as many garden uses. Growing borage Borago officinalis is so easy, and it is a powerful herb for healing and companion planting, and growing borage adds a touch of beauty to your garden. Borage is also known to repel tomato worms and cabbage moths as well, and when planted near your squash it can improve their flavor. Borage has a strong fragrance and repels most insects that might eat it. This aromatic plant is also rich in nutrients like calcium and potassium. That's why borage is so useful and a must-have plant in our gardens for all its benefits. Borage has attractive green foliage, lovely star-shaped blue flowers and woolly stems. In the garden, this beautiful plant attracts bees of all kinds. The benefits of borage are so many, from repelling pests such as hornworms, attracting pollinators, until aiding any plants it is interplanted with, by increasing resistance to pests and disease. Borage has a reputation for improving the flavor and growth of strawberries. So give it a try and add this powerful herb to your garden to enjoy all its benefits. Thank you for watching my video. More are coming soon, so please subscribe to my channel.